This is the Santin Gaami, a phone that came out, I'm guessing, around 2 years ago, but it's starting to surface just now, and I haven't seen any reviews of it myself, so I'm gonna just review it myself. So we have 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, a 3000 mAh battery, the MediaTek 6739, a flashlight on the top of the phone, and the phone is just weird looking overall. So this is how the box is, and the box isn't high quality, but the phone does. It feels like leather, believe it or not. And this is our flashlight. That looks kind of funny, doesn't it? It's kind of weird shaped in general, huh? But we do have USB-C, so I don't know if this is supposed to be a durable phone or what, but yeah, it does feel nice. And then the box, SIM ejector tool, our power brick, with nothing on it. It just feels light though. And a USB-C cable. And alright, it's in Russian, and that's because this phone is bought mostly by Russian people. I mean, I'm gonna set this up and get back to you, I guess. Alright, so let's see how the fingerprint sensor is set. Okay. Oh, it's not it's the front. Oh, I thought it was the back. I thought this was the sensor, but no, it's some other button that I don't know what it does. We're gonna find out in time. Alright, so it's in the front, even better. Alright, so the phone is all set up. First up, let's take a look at this flashlight. That is pretty cool. So you can just point like that, like how you would a regular flashlight, but yeah. What I did notice is that notification panel does look a bit weird. And when you go to settings, you get this. So it's kind of like for kids, hard to tell. You get stuff like magnifier, and when you go to others, you get this. And we have a go back option that's not really visible, but when you press it, we just go back to this menu, which is kind of weird. I don't really like this design because it feels like it's a phone for babies. But other than that, it's very, very snappy, even more than I expected. The display is good, just has a kind of a blue tint to it, but other than that, the display is pretty good. What about disabling ads? Okay, now the game is running with 0 lag whatsoever, which is nice. Alright, cool. Okay, that was a bit of a stutter there. So it runs Netflix just fine, just a bit of stutter. Yeah, as long as you disable the ads, the game runs just fine. Now let's try Wind Rider. Stuttering, let's see if it gets better. No, not really. What? How do I get to there? Yeah, this phone is not meant for games, so I'm not gonna even test PUBG. Hope you guys can forgive me for that. So, do we have any other extra features? We have magnifier. Don't really know what that is. Oh, okay. Oh, it's like that. Oh, it's like for old people. Okay. All right, I had to update Google Play services, but now it works. So let's listen to some music. So the speakers here in the back. So far, it's very quiet. So speaker's decent, just a bit quiet, and we don't have a headphone jack, so there's that. So yeah, speaker's really not that good. Alright, let's test the fingerprint sensor. 3, 2, 1. Again. Okay, so it's not the fastest, but the speed is pretty decent and it is accurate. You know, it didn't feel one so far, and I think accuracy is more important than speed at the end of the day. All right, let's see what the camera's all about. Oh wow, that is a very strange setup, but let's see what we're working with. Okay. Where are the settings? Okay, whatever. It won't show me the settings, and I'm too lazy to go look right now. So yeah, let's just see how the overall quality is. Let's go outside. We're facing video on the Santin Gaami, and first impressions, it does look like it looks like I'm recording on a wide angle lens, even though this phone only has one camera on the back. And don't get me wrong, I do like this look, and the colors look nice. Sunny day. Let me know what you guys think. Let's see how the focus is. Okay, tapping on the screen, it does focus, so yeah. Front facing video on the Santin Gaami. Looks a bit worse than the rear, understandably. And yeah, it looks decent on my end, but let me know what you guys think while you're watching this on your computer or phone. So alright, so that's pretty much it. So should you get this phone? It is a bizarre phone, but you know, I like it. I mean, I wish I could keep it. I mean, the back feels nice. The sides are nice and middly. Android 8.1, sure, it's not Android 10 or 11, but most people do prefer Android 8.1, believe it or not. Also, the camera is decent. It has a cool flashlight placement. We also have a regular flash for the camera over here as well. So you don't have to rely just on this like it was on the Geotel G1. But you know, this menu is kind of ugly. I don't know why it's like this, but it is a fast phone. It is nice to use. I do recommend it. I mean, especially for $60. I mean, come on. This phone is great for the price. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll try to answer them. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.